Hi everybody, Darren here, and I'm getting ready to pack for the French River canoe trip, and I want to show you what I'm bringing. But first, I want to show you the route that we're going to take. Okay, here is the lower French River, and here is Highway 69, and Hartley Bay is where we're going to park and launch. And that's where you go if you want to do the lower French River. And so the first day, around one of these squares is about 1 kilometer. And first day, I'm going to try to get, because this area here is supposedly like boats, fishing boats and cottages and stuff like that. There's campsites all around here, I guess, people that want to come for the weekend or whatever, but we're going to go down here and hopefully make it to here where we can find one of these sites and camp. If we still got time, we'll just go further down because the quicker we get through it, well, I want to spend a few days, this is in case we're windbound or whatever. I would like to rest a few days, just relax for the day and stuff like that. But anyways, the second day, we're going to come down here. Here's the plan. This is the plan anyways. Never know if the plan gets changed, but it branches off into like a few different rivers here. The old Voyager channel is right here, and that purple line there means that at low water it might not be passable or something like that. But all the rain that we got this year, I don't know, and recently, so I'm hoping it's there's enough water that we can go down that one, because that's the path I want to take. And then it comes through here, and here's where I heard there's navigational issues down here, because you're coming down into Georgian Bay and there's tons of islands everywhere. And yeah, so I got 2 compasses there that I'm bringing just in case. Probably won't need it, but I wouldn't mind practicing navigation anyways. It's always good to practice it. And so for the second night, we're probably going to camp around one of these campsites here, which these little triangles are the campsites. And the third day, I want to try and make it to the Fox Island, because I heard it was really nice. But the main Voyager loop goes up here and to here, and supposedly to go here takes 4 or 5 days to do that. And but I want to go over here to Fox Island, because I heard it's really nice, and camp there for night 3. And this is another low water level thing, and then go up here on night 4 and camp here, and then leave early morning to Hartley Bay. If we can't go up this river here, because I heard that if it's low water, it's hard to navigate. But there's there's 3 200-meter portages there, and like these other portages there. If not, then we'll just go back up here and then go up this river here to get back out. And so that is the planned route. So I'll take you now. I'm going to go in my kitchen. I'm going to show you what I'm packing. Okay, here's the clothes I'm bringing. I got a set of long underwear, top and bottom. I'm bringing 2 pairs of socks, plus I'm going to wear one, so that's 3 pairs. And a toque, because the nights, even though it's going to be warm, it's going to be in the 20s, but the nights can get really cold up north. So I'm just preparing for just in case it gets really cold. You never know this time of year. 2 shirts, undershirts, plus I'm going to wear 1 t-shirt, an over warm shirt, and a little light North Face fleece jacket. I got 4 pairs of underwear and a pair of gloves. And the toque's good for, like, if it's really cold, if you're sleeping at night. It really keeps you warm. And I'm gonna put this in there. And I might bring a little light fall compression jacket. And I just got a dry bag that I'm gonna throw everything into. Even though I'm putting it into a large dry bag, just in case it leaks or something, it's double protected. I got another dry bag. Oh, and I forgot to show you. This is the pants I'm wearing, and they're kind of neat. They're North Face pants, so the zipper takes off the legs, so you got like shorts and pants all in one with this thing. So only one pair of pants. Okay, in bag number one, we have the tent, which takes up a lot of room. The sleep system takes up a lot of room. We got the tent, we got a blow-up sleeping mat, and we have a North Face down sleeping bag, which is good for spring and fall. And we have a tent floor tarp, so this will go underneath the tent just to preserve the bottom of the tent longer. It's not necessary. As you can see, I'm gonna bring a lot of unnecessary things. This is the first trip in 20 years, so we're gonna probably overpack. Well, I am overpacking, but anyways. We got a tarp, a blow-up pillow, and then we got the tool section where we got pulleys. This is if you need to lift weight, like the food barrel lifting in a tree, that will help with that. If your canoe gets stuck or something and you need to pull it somewhere, these pulleys will help. And some clamps to go with that. 500-pound strong paracord, and it's kind of reflective so you can see it easy. Duct tape for lots of repairs, fixing. If you get a hole in the canoe, you could patch it up like that. A little sewing kit and a tent repair kit. And yeah, that's all gonna fit in an 80-liter dry bag. This thing, everybody uses these things now. It's kind of big, but the thing is, you gotta leave room at the top so you can roll it up. So let's try to fit all this stuff in here. Tent. Takes up the whole bottom. Sleeping bag. Takes up like half the bag already, just those two things. The tarp I kind of want at the top, just in case it's raining and you got to pull over really quick to set up a tarp and get out of the rain. So you want easy access to that. Putting all the tool stuff in its own little bag. And these bags are pretty cool. Straps to carry for the portage. Bag number one. Okay, so now we got the bathroom and kitchen cleanliness area. So I have bidet, portable bidet. These things are great. But I also got biodegradable toilet paper. Got a sponge, and I got some sham wows that absorb a lot of absorbent. So if it's too cold, you could have, like, you boil water in a pot and you could have a sponge bath type deal. And we got biodegradable soap, brush, floss, and I gotta grab the toothpaste, some Q-tips, and dishwashing scrub brush. And this is all gonna go in another, I got little portable dry sacks for pretty much everything, so they're all nice and organized into their little bag. And here we got the medical kit. I got like a big medical kit, and I just fill this stuff with I got an emergency blanket, band-aids, and glow sticks, hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, gauze. So I just fill this with what I think we'll need, and it goes in it. So I also put it in a dry bag in case the canoe dumps. They want wet bandages. A little broom. Not necessary. Still not sure if I'm going to bring that. Just in case you get a lot of dirt in the tent. And here is the gravity filter, water filter. I've got to filter out all the water. I got, this is a chair, nice compact chair. Dishes, plate, bowl, 2 cups, and silverware for 2. And this is I put it in here because it's going to get charred and dirty. This is a nice big pot, so you just, you know, a lot of room to cook with that. And here is oven mitt. Little kettle. Nice and easy to do your tea. Frying pan. And propane for the camp stove. And a little bushcraft grill. This thing's kind of cool. Really quality, high quality stuff. Comes with two little grills. So I guess you could just boil coffee or something. So we got fire and propane. So one backs up the other. And this is everything that goes into the second bag. Oh, forgot table. I don't know if I should bring it. Should I bring a table? Yeah, maybe. Why not? I got the room for it. See, the beauty about this French River trip is there's no, the portages are very short. So you can kind of bring whatever you want. I'm going to keep the water filter at the top. You never know, you're in the middle of the lake, you want to fill up with some nice water. Okay, bag number 2. Okay, bag number 3 is basically my electronics and gear bag. Yeah, so walkie-talkies, I got my camera gear, my DSLR, and my GoPro. I got binoculars. This is a microphone. My fly fishing vest. Yeah, in here I got, this is a cute little tent light. I also got a headlamp. And these are my power banks. I got about 60 amp hours of power to recharge all my camera gear and stuff like that. And this is the charging station and cords. Yeah. And yeah, so I'm not gonna pack that right now because I want to make sure everything's topped up and charged. And that's going into this bag. This is a 55-liter bag. It's a little bit smaller. I originally got this bag thinking, okay, I could put everything in here. and then I said, no, we need a big one. So I got the big one here. And then I thought, no, I need another one. So I had to get another one. And then this one, because you're thinking it's the fact that you got to like twist it 3 or 4 times that kind of reduces the 80-liter or 55-liter volume. So yeah, so basically I got these 3 bags, and also we got the food barrel, and this is a 30-liter barrel, and we're going for 5 days. So, and it's like full. So if you're going for longer, you probably need the 60-liter. This harness works for both. So yeah, well, I didn't measure quantities of food. I just brought a lot of food. It's mostly dried stuff. I am gonna do the some fresh stuff, like the Xander pizzas. I guess I gotta bring those. But yeah, so I got all this, and then Lori's gonna bring her bag, and the canoe can hold 1,000 pounds, so I think we're good. I forgot to mention a few things. Got the bear mace, fire starting kit, tactical flashlight, Leatherman, nice little pouch that holds that all, and I got my bushcraft knife. Well, that's everything I'm bringing, and the next time you're going to see me is on the French River. So I can't wait, and stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.